to end the top of the second. And with this, we'll be back with the bottom of the second. And the first pitch to Justin Lapallo to lead off to the ball. That's cracked foul. Out of play. Ball to Justin Lapallo. Strike two to Justin Lapallo. Having a pretty good all-star break. All-star game, actually. Nice snag by Berger to make a quick, easy out to start off. Now batting Jason Banks. Strike one to Jason Banks. Ripped. It's a double out of it. Batting is Michael Ferruzzi. Excuse me, Mark Lagori. Just unusual without Michael Ferruzzi here. Seems just kind of weird, and I mean, without him showing up saying he'll be here. What's the count? 2-0 to Mark Lagori. Little tip on that one. Wow, he gets a hit. Gets a triple, wow. Well done by Mark Lagori. Michael Weinstein walking in, the old-timer.
Got that on film. Hey, Josh, take it easy now, big guy.
2-1. 2-1? 1-1, excuse me. Justin Lapallo. The pitch, strike two. 1-2. So, Berger ahead of the batter. And the pitch. Strike three struck him out to end the inning. So they get 1 run on 2 hits as the Eskimos come to bat. Michael Berger batting here. The second snapped down by Banks, and he gets him out. Now batting Mark Wittenbeck. We gotta look at the Eskimo bench. Michael Berger. First pitch, a strike to Mark Wittenbeck. Strike two, wow. Beautiful pitch by Jason Banks. Pitching beautifully so far this game. Oh, inside for a ball. Another look at Effman and Berger. Effman on deck. Strike three, and that ends the inning. We'll go to the bottom of the third after this. You know what? I can do it. Word up, Jay.
It's in there, it's in there. It's in there. No, stay.
What do you do? What does Spank do? So getting a single with Mark Lagore after Banks walks. First pitch hits him for a ball. LaPowell having a pretty good season now at recovering from a pretty bad start, but not so bad. Bad for him. Wow, that is caught. Beautiful catch. Mark Winback making a snag on that one. There we get a look at him. Beautiful catch going on to the outfield to catch it. Thanks, batting. Attempt to pick him off. Strike to Jason Banks. Two old teammates against each other. Pitch. Oh, hits the crossbar for a ball. Hits him for a ball. A bit high for a ball. Strike to Banks. Count is full. Look at Jason Banks having not so great a year. And he walks again to bring up Lagore, so he'll probably hit in a couple runs. With the bases jammed. The pitch. Ball one. Ball two. Berger upset with the call. I thought that was a fine call by Latman. But then again. Hit. Error to Wittenbach. 2 runs. Will score. Only getting a single. Oh, Lagore. Having some problems with his knee. As you see, he's got a little cast on. Getting surgery in August. First and second. And the pitch to Lapalo. With one down. Strike one. High for a ball. Strike two. Get the calls by the umpire, Mark Latman of the Wyoming Wild thing, and strike three and strikes out Lapalo. To end the bottom of the third, we'll go to the top of the fourth after this. Batting is Ethman, 5-0. Great lead. And Ethman getting in the way of the game. They should just get him out. Yeah, we gotta give Mark Ethman. Strike one to Berger. Strike two to Berger. Mark, what do I write for that?
Shut up. It's just what she wants. You got a double!
Ah, fly pop not caught. The throw to second. Not in time. Berger getting a stand-up double. Mark Wittenbach not hitting too well today. They need runs and hits, mostly. Ball one, outside. Just a bit outside for a ball. 2-0. That's crank. Double. Automatic double, and Berger will score. Nice hit. Effman batting now.
Yeah, Wood. Shot, Woody. Let's keep it up now.
They get their first run of the game to make it 5-1. We take a close look up, and Michael Berger not happy, pitching a pretty good game. Hits coming off of him. Some errors, but a lot of hits. Oh, beautifully hit down the line. Mark Wittenbach will score. Effin will get a double.
Come on now, let's go now.
Now this is where they get in their runs. 3 doubles in a row to score runs here. The score is 5-2. Come on, Mike. Mike Berger batting. He's gonna get a hit. Hope usually just makes contact and gets rid of the ball, man. The pitch just a bit inside to wipe him back off the plate. Rip, that is gone. Goodbye. Home run, Michael Berger. He got all of that ball. Holy cow. That was demolished. Holy, over the fence. Coming in for a little handshake, and that ram. Wow, is that beautiful. Michael Berger, what a shot. We'll know he gave contact on that. What a rip. Now batting is Mark Wittenbach. They're just going to forget about that one, the Woodpeckers. Five 4. Good game. Picking up all their runs right in this inning, the fourth, but still no outs. 1 out, excuse me. Oh, strike 2. Strike 3, excuse me, and that will end it. But they pick up 4 runs. And we'll be back with the bottom of the fourth after this. Get started right away. Ball to Jason Banks. And outside for another ball. Here, Mike with Mark Liguori. that was Mark Liguori, all right. Banks walked. He's the only person that's walked this game, but it's his third time. Legs up. Strike 1. That'll be a single. Moving Jason Banks over to second. Apollo batting. He is a great home run hitter, almost winning the home run contest in the All-Star game, having 3. Ferrucci having 4. That was just unexpected of him to win it. The pitch. Ground ball. Out at third. Nice play. Take a look at Mark Wittenbach making a fine play in from the outfield. Attempt to get legs. Timeout called by Mark. Effman running in, we take a look at that. Little team meeting. Jason Banks getting a swing back. And then get the game back underway. Ball 1. Ball 2, excuse me. 2-0. That was by umpire Mark Latman. Strike 2 and 1. He wanted that pitch as you see him. Strike 2. And this is a pretty good game as the Eskimos come back into it after down 5-0. Strike three struck him out, excuse me, and that will end the inning. We'll go to the top of the fifth after this. Get a look at Justin Lapallo coming in to relieve Jason Banks here in the top five.
What inning is this?
Top five. Looking at a little team meeting between Mark Wittenbeck and Michael Berger. Ball one to Mark Effman. Count. Pitch. Strike two. 2-2. Full? Oh, excuse me. I think the count is full. Ball four takes his base. And we'll get a look at Michael Berger. The pitch. That's taken high. And into the trees. Oh! That, by the way, hit me in the knee, and that does not tickle. So it's 0-2. The pitch. Ripped. Down the line. And Effman coming safely into third. The run scores on that. No, the run does not score, and a little argument here.
Hey, Wood!
That one hit me in the elbow this time. Shows their feeling towards me there. What a curveball that is. I mean, that thing just goes anywhere. He just, look at that. Sidearm curveball. I mean, that just goes up.
That one didn't come down.
Oh, they don't like the call on that. Look at Mark arguing. Strike two. Ripped. And the run will score. Michael Berger comes home.
All you, F.
What running? Great base running by Michael Berger as we get a look at him on deck. Strike one. That is a weird curveball by Lapallo. He's worked on it a lot, and it, oh God, that's just a beautiful curveball. One and two. Effman. Mark looking back. the pitch over his head.
Smart, Effie. Come on.
Effman's a small batter. Hard to hit to. Pitch to, excuse me. The pitch is... Caught by Banks. Berger batting. The pitch. Pitch to Berger. It's a fouled away. Another tip. Hanging in there is Michael Berger. Taking a look at the field here. Mark Lagori. Jason Banks. Pitches a ball. It's a strike, excuse me. To strike Berger out. That's very unusual, striking Berger out. We'll go to the bottom of the 5th after this. Let me get a look at Mark Wittenbach coming into pitch. I am a slave, as you can see. I'll be back after this to get a drink of water from Mark Lagori.
Oh! Oh, no! Oh, right here, baby. This legs is?
Yeah. Let's count. Pitch. Outside for a ball. Full? Count is full. Liggs gets on with a walk. Playing a little dangerous. He's getting... And they throw him out at first. I told you he's playing a little bit dangerous. Wow. So batting Justin No Shirt LaPalo. 2 in a row hitting him in the back. Safe at first. Jason Banks batting. Playing safely LaPalo. Strike 1 to Jason Banks. See Berger in the outfield, put into the outfield after a little switch. The pitch. Oh, for a ball. Ball to Jason Banks. This is a good game. I mean, this is important. More important than every game's left in the season, which is 2.